It said that we have to sign in to Google Play game, but when we click sign in, there's nothing happen. Then actually, what should we do? The next thing you have to do is click the settings and then click save progress and then click yes. Alright, in here you can choose the name that you want. Then click create. So we wait the loading process again. Okay, it's if you see this on the screen, it means that our account has been synchronized. Then you scroll the screen to the bottom and then click allow. Then click save. Now we try multiplayer. Okay, as you can see in the screen, now we can play multiplayer. I choose drifting, then click random rifle. So we wait this loading process. This is the process looking for rifle. Alright, now we have a rifle that ready. Okay, if you like this video, please give me a like, and if you have any question, just write in the comment below. Thanks for watching and have a try.